Dippers are the world's only aquatic songbirds, and they spend their entire lives around water, often by raging cascades. The powerful currents they call home keep them safe from most predators, while they use their unique abilities to capture and dine on waterborne insects, worms, fish eggs, and even fish. Dippers essentially fly underwater. When they swim through a waterfall, it's usually to get to their young, tucked into a nest on the other side.
An expert bite delivers death quickly. She's banked another meal for her pride. No small feat for a single lioness. Cheetahs are smaller and weaker than lions. They also eat less. But when it comes to food, lions see them as competition. So she's forced to stay out here, away from the privilege of the waterhole. Her speed is not enough. The family will go hungry for today.
Their unfussy diet rivals our own. They will eat almost anything. This female has become separated from her herd, but this makes her vulnerable. She's heavily outnumbered. Unable to outrun the wolves, she must face them head on. Her fierce defense has put the wolves off. She'll need to rejoin her herd sooner rather than later.